Hey babes,
I am a baby doll.
welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get these cute curls with a no hairspray. I just use my curling iron. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, just continue to watch. We will be using our Tresemme thermal heat spray, our Garnier Fruity Sleek and Shine, just like a tiny pump of this, of course a brush, a comb, and these little clippies. So let's get in with the hair curling, honey. So I section my hair off. I, do half of it and I pin the rest of it up. I like to work in sections. So I clip that up and I am left with the bottom portion, okay? So you just do a little spray. I just do one. You don't need all of that spray, really, you don't. And then I just put like, not even a whole pump, but just like a little squirt, like literally that much in my hand. And I rub it on this section. I don't want it to be too silky, but I want it to be, a little shiny, honey. What we living. So we're going to take a small section of hair, not that big, but like, I don't know, when people say we're going to take an inch of hair, baby, I don't be measuring. Just going to get like a little piece. My curling iron is this Conair curling iron I got from Walmart, and it's on a 360. And we're going to take that little piece and we are going to take our curling iron. We're going to warm up the hair. I don't know why I do that, I just always do. Warm it up. And now we are going to twist at the top. I'm bad with explaining, so if you watch, you'll understand. I let that sit for a few minutes. Roll it back up again. Uh-oh. And sometimes I do that and all the hair comes out, but I just like hold it. And we are going to let it go. Scrunch it up, let it cool off a little bit in our hand. Usually if I want to be extra, I will pin curl my hair, but excuse me, lately I haven't been extra, so I'm just gonna hold it and let it drop, and there is our curl. So we're going to do this all over our head. with the end of the rat top part. Just comb it out. Okay, then I'm gonna flip it over, shake, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Also, if you want me to do another tutorial, also comment below on that as well. I really like this hair. It's so cute. But yeah, like I always say, it doesn't matter what they think or say. Just continue to wake, pray, grind, and slay.